What a good news for you, and today is very good news for you, and you will be surprised because of suddenly I'm telling you about your result has been released. So what will you feel now? Because of I'm telling you step to step and you have to watch complete video. Let's go in website, Delhi University's website. So I am going in this brochure, and like this you know very well what is a step, and I am entering here DU just because of many days I has opened, so that's why I'm selecting by here. I'm selecting by here like this, and you will get this news that where is this. I'm seeing in I has opened Delhi University's website. Now let's see what is in new. What is new in this section? Just for a few seconds, let's see. But I'm telling you about SOL students. You can see some latest notice in Delhi University's website because of SOL is part of Delhi University. So where is press release and notification regarding? And before 2 days I made a video and I told you about notification regarding extension of last date of submission of examination forms for the semester examination. I think you have seen. And in latest notification just you will get this notification, and in press release also OB examination information till 17 August 2020 you will get this information just. And we are going in SOL website because of there is a huge amount for SOL students. Their result didn't upload still now. This is in pending mode. I'm telling you clearly I'm telling you clearly that your result, let's see sol.ac.in, and just we have to continue to website we have to, and you can go in student dashboard also, but I have no user ID password. You know that what is the procedure. And just archive just important notice information, you have to archive this one. And in below than this I am searching a new notice regarding your result. Oh students, I'm not getting here something new, so please, there is no any option. You have to wait for till Diwali. Approximate Diwali, your result will appear. Because of here is no any new nowadays, and this is very bad towards Delhi University. Honorable High Court has said that Delhi University have to declare all result as soon as possible, but they are not giving. I don't know why they are delay. They should not do this because of a lot of students are facing some problems, and they are very, they are very tension. They are taking very tension. So you know what students, just you have to keep patience for 3 or 4 days more, and after Diwali your result will announce definitely. Because I can tell you, because of according to media in every article, there is a lot of article. If you will open Google, then you will see a lot of articles are there. And according to Delhi University also, because of there is a lot of news, then we can judge it. We can think about it that result will announce within 4 or 5 days. So Monday to Saturday, very important day for you. They are 6 days, and between Monday to Saturday your result will out definitely. So if you visited in this channel first time, please subscribe this channel and don't forget press bell icon. Thank you.